Hello and welcome to the Presero training series. In this lesson, we will be learning how to set up your site's payment methods. We will begin by logging into the Presero admin with the information provided to you. To choose and set up each of your site's payment method, you will go to the admin, Sites, select your site, Settings, and go to the Payments tab. You should already set up the different payment methods in admin preferences payment methods before coming here to choose the method you want for the specific site and various site groups. Activating a payment method for a site. When you click the Payments tab, you should reach a list of each payment method created in admin preferences area. Let's see what are the options available in the payment methods. Enable. Select the Enable box in each of the different payment method section you wish to offer for the selected site. Rename. The Rename field allows you to rename the name of the payment method name that the customer will see. Sort order. Use the Sort order field to reposition the order of the payment method listed. Custom message. If entered here, this text will be displayed as a browser pop-up when the user pay with this payment method. If you are using a payment method that takes the customer to another site to complete the credit card process, such as PayPal, the message content you enter should warn the user that clicking this button checks out the order and you cannot use the back button to return from the provider site to the card to make further changes. Enable range. You may choose to have a specific payment option only appear when the total for the order fails within a certain range. This can be helpful for the customers with the free products in their store who want to handle a fee payment option but don't want to be available unless the order totals becomes $0. Select the Enable Range box to enter the minimum amount and the maximum amount in the field. We will come into the payment button appearance later, but before that we will see the allowed groups. By default, we will include each enabled payment method for all your site groups. If you would like to limit the available method to certain groups of customers in the particular store, then use the site groups and enable only the groups to which you want to have the particular method available. For payment method in which the user pays by the credit card directly on your Presero site, two additional fields are available: Custom Checkout Error Message and Display Provider Error. These fields determine what will be displayed to the user on the checkout if there is an issue processing the user's credit card. There are three options. Display the Presero generic error message. To display the default generic error message, leave both the fields blank. Display the error from the payment processor, click the Display Provider Error box. If you want to display a custom message, then you can enter the custom checkout error message that will be overridden with the Presero generic message. Payment button appearance. It allows you to change the appearance of the payment button for all but for the following payment methods: PayPal website payment standard, PayFlow Pro hosted, all the non-integrated, Authorize.net hosted, and CyberSource hosted. Button name. It allows you to change the text that appears on the button. Background, background hover border, font color, and font color hover are all the color settings that allow you to control the appearance of the button as shown in the button field. Reset. As the name suggests, click to reset the button designed to the default. Please note, individual site skins may alter the button design. What to expect in the checkout page for the site? The system distinguishes between these following conditions. Open terms or the submit order option will allow the user to order without the payment. When an order is placed, a new order email will be sent to you. Credit card. The pay by credit card option requires the user to pay with a credit card. When the order is placed, the new order email will not be triggered until a payment confirmation is received for it. Both open terms and credit card. If the both open term and credit cards are enabled for a site, the user selects submit order that is non-integrated, then a new order email will be sent to you to your customer. If they click pay by credit card, the system will not send the email until a payment confirmation arrives. When both credit card and open terms payment methods are available for a site, the system distinguishes between unpaid. Temporarily, the user selected pay by credit card but confirmation has not been received by Presero. Upon confirmation, the order will display under paid. A new order email will be sent. Unpaid, abandoned. The user selected pay by credit card but quit before the payment or did not enter the correct credit card information, failed to correct it before the payment. The order will never be listed under paid and the new order email will not be sent. Please note this may be a temporary state while the user is correcting the payment information. Unpaid. The user selected submit order, that is the non-integrated, to complete the order and the order will not be listed as paid but the new order email will be sent. This was all about the payment methods for the site settings. Thank you for watching this video.